Hey there, I'm Noah. I want to show you how to install this free rank tracker so that you can track your website's search rankings. This Data Studio template uses Google Search Console data uh, in it. And to get it going, the first step is to just click this copy icon. When you see this pop up, you're going to know that you need to add two new data sources from your data. And to get rolling, we're going to pick two pre-existing data sources. In our linked tutorial, there are directions to add fresh ones for Google Search Console data that's not already added. But for the sake of this little video, I'm going to link up data for my own site just to make this nice and fast. I'll go bike, shop, SEO, and oops, bike. And I'm going to pick the site. I know that the URL matches URL, site matches site. I then copy the report over. At this point, I want to show you a couple things that are going to look funky. We're going to be tracking average position. In the name, you'll see that it copied over sum. It's the sum of average position, which we know is incorrect, which we'll fix after in a minute. And you'll also see that this looks like it's broken. Both of these issues have to do with the fact that when Google shares its data for its Google store, when you copy the reports that use that data, it breaks the aggregation. It's an easy fix though. We're going to click the pencil icon, which brings up our blend of different data sources. And you'll notice that something looks broken over here. And the first thing we're going to do is remove that invalid dimension. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to drag this click-through rate down here. We're going to click Save. We're going to close. And our table still looks broken. And that has to do with the fact that this invalid metric, we're just going to get rid of it. And we're going to drag our click-through rate down here. And then we need to fix these two metrics and make them average. We're going to change it from sum to average. And we're going to change this from sum to average. And then the next thing we can do is click View, and we'll see our rank tracker. And just to remind you, once you hook up your data, you can change whatever website you want by clicking this, and it'll show you all the websites that you have access to the data. And when you change that data source up here, it'll change your rankings and it'll change the URLs that you're actually ranking for specific content. I hope that helps, and I hope you get a real kick out of this tool.